The variance is another way to measure spread, and it basically tries to measure dispersion from the mean due to the result of various chance happenings. And the variance is defined as the average of the squared differences from the mean. For populations, the variance is usually denoted as sigma squared. And the equation to find variance is this. So sigma squared equals the sum of each of the x values minus mu, or the population mean, squared, divided by n, or the number of observations. So basically, you find the difference from each individual value in the mean, square that, add all of them up, and then divide by n. So let's try to find the variance from this data, and let's assume that it is from a population. First, we have to find the population mean, or mu. We do this by adding up all the values and then dividing by how many values there are. And from what we calculated, we can tell that the population mean is equal to 51.2. Now we use the mean to actually find the variance by subtracting the mean from every single value of x, squaring that, and then adding it all together, then divide by n. This is what is meant in the definition because we are calculating the average of the squared differences from the mean. Here we have the calculation to find the variance using only the first three values and then the last two values of x because there wasn't enough room to fit in everything, but everything is supposed to be there. Anyway, the calculated variance is 92.16. So another way to measure spread is by calculating standard deviation, which is basically defined as the square root of the variance. Standard deviation is denoted as just sigma, and its equation is just the square root of the equation for variance. To find sigma, or standard deviation, we just square root what we got for sigma squared, or square root the variance, and then we get 9.6.